Good morning, my beloved students. Today we are going to discuss our social study chapter about the continent and oceans. We see our Earth. Our Earth is the third planet of the solar system, and it looks like blue, and we can say the blue planet also. Why? The Earth's 71% part is covered with water and 29% only with land. The large masses of land are called the continent, and the vast water bodies are called the oceans. All the oceans connected with each other, level of sea water remain same. Now we see there are 7 continents. There are 7 continents in the world. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. These are the continents. Now we see Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world and covers 1/3 of the land area, and it is surrounded 3 sides by Arctic Ocean in north, Pacific Ocean in the east, and Indian Ocean in the south. More than half population of the world lives in Asia. Most populated countries like India and China. The second one is Africa, and world's longest river Nile flows through the Africa. Then Antarctica is a frozen continent. Antarctica is called frozen continent because it is covered with thick ice sheet. Now let me discuss about the oceans. There are 5 oceans. They are Pacific Oceans, Atlantic Oceans, Indian Ocean, Atlantic and Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world and deepest ocean. The depth of Pacific Ocean is about 10,900 meters. Now we see about the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is only the ocean named after the country. The Antarctic, it is also called the Southern Ocean. Arctic Ocean, it is the smallest ocean of the world. On account of the closeness of the North Pole, it remains frozen throughout the year. Up to this much discussion about the continent and the oceans. Be carefully read one's lesson and see the videos and try to answer the question. Thank you.